If you want your website to look professional from the very first second, you need a clean, modern, and fully responsive header. It's the part of your site people see on every single page. Your logo, your menu, your cart, everything is here. So in this video, I'll show you how to build a custom WordPress header using Elementor and Ultimate Addons, step by step, no coding, and fully optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile. To begin building the header, open your WordPress dashboard and locate UAE, short for Ultimate Addons for Elementor. Click on the UAE dashboard, then select Create Header Footer to start a new template. When prompted, give it a title, for example, type header. Once you've created it, click Edit with Elementor to start designing. Inside the Elementor editor, begin by adding a full width container. In the layout settings, set the direction to row because your header layout will be horizontal. Inside this container, add 3 inner containers to form a clean 3-column structure. Assign about 20% width each to the first and third columns and 60% width to the middle one. This division creates the right balance for your logo, your navigation, and cart icon while keeping the layout centered and visually even. In the first column, insert an image widget. Since the free version of Elementor doesn't allow adding a dynamic site logo widget, you'll need to upload your logo manually. Select your logo file, insert it, and adjust its size so that it looks clean and proportionate to the header height. Next, move to the middle column, which will hold the main navigation menu. Before you add it, go back to your WordPress dashboard and open Appearance, then Menus, and name it Main. Set this as the primary menu. On the left panel, select the pages you want to include, such as Home, Shop, and Contact. If you haven't finalized all your pages yet, you can create placeholder links using custom links and type hash in the URL field. Just make sure to update these links later on when you have all of your pages ready. When your menu is ready, click Save Menu. Return to the Elementor editor, drag it into the navigation menu widget and place it in the middle column. And refresh the page so that your new menu appears in the list. Open the drop-down list and select your main menu. Under the layout settings, set the alignment to center so that the menu items appear neatly across the middle. In the Style tab, adjust the hover color to match your site's brand color. Change typography settings such as font family, size, and letter spacing to ensure the menu matches your overall design. You can also add slight spacing between each menu item to make it more readable and balanced. Now, move to the third column, where you'll place the cart icon. Drag in the cart widget provided by Ultimate Addons for Elementor. This widget automatically shows the WooCommerce cart icon and updates the item count dynamically whenever products are added. Customize the icon size and color so that it visually complements the header. Align it to the right or center depending on your layout preference. If the icon feels slightly off position, add a bit of padding or margin to fine-tune its alignment with the rest of the header elements. Once all 3 sections are in place, open the container settings and apply a subtle background color or a soft shadow to give the header a touch of depth. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish to save the design. At this stage, the header will not appear on your site yet because display conditions haven't been defined. To make it visible, go back to the WordPress dashboard, open UAE, and select Header and Footer. Locate the header template you created and click Edit. Set the template type to header. Under Display On, select Entire Website. This ensures that the header appears across every page of your site. You can also define specific conditions here, for example, excluding certain pages if you don't want the header to appear on them. Once done, click Update to apply these changes. Now return to your home page. In Elementor, open the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Under Page Layout, switch from Elementor Canvas back to Default. This change is necessary because the canvas layout hides all theme elements, including header and footers. Switching to default will make your new header appear at the top. Also, disable the default page title from the settings so it doesn't overlap with your new design. Your header is now active and visible across your website. We're going to move on to making header responsive for all devices. Switch to Mobile View Editor in Elementor using the device icon at the bottom of the panel. Check the header responsiveness. Because the header contains multiple columns, logo navigation and cart icons, alignment may need manual adjustment. Set the logo's width to auto so it scales naturally across devices. Reduce the navigation width if needed, and under Advanced Setting, set its drop-down width to 100% so the mobile menu expands across the screen. Adjust the cart icon size and use small padding or margin values to shift it slightly left or right for perfect alignment. Continue refining the column widths until everything fits neatly into one row and maintains a balanced look on mobile screens. Finally, preview the header on multiple devices, desktop, tablet, mobile. Check that the logo stays clear, the menu links are readable, and that the spacing between elements is consistent. Make small refinements to padding or font sizes if necessary, then click Update to save your changes. When that's done, you should have a header like this, and they should be fully responsive and active across your entire WooCommerce store. If you don't see them on your site, then make sure they're actually set as the global header and footer of your site by using the UAE dashboard. I've also linked all the plugins and tools that I used in this video down in the description, so you can quickly go through them and import everything you want. See you in the next one.